सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Delete from th verse. येयं प्रेते विचिकित्सा मनुष्ये अस्तीत्येके नायमस्तीति चैके एतद्विद्यामनुशिष्टस्त्वयाहम् वराणामेष वरस्तृतीयः। देवैरत्रापि विचिकित्सितं पुरा देवैरत्रापि विचिकित्सितं पुरा नहि सुविज्ञेयम् अणुरेष धर्मः अन्यं वरं नचिकेतो वृणीष्व मामोपरोत्सीरति मा सृजैनम्। अगेन देवैरत्रापि विचिकित्सितं पुरा नहि सुविज्ञेयम् अणुरेष धर्मः अन्यं वरं नचिकेतो वृणीष्व मामोपरोत्सीरति मा सृजैनम्। मामोपरोत्सीरति मा सृजैनम्। The question of Nachiketas was, what is the nature of the self? We had seen that in the morning. What is the nature of the Atma? That is the real question of Kathopanishad, not the first and second question. This is the real question of Kathopanishad. I am not going into detail about that, but very good commentary is put on. You will find difficult, therefore I will not go into it too much. Is this body, is this Atma always with the sense organ or without the sense organ? When I say I am blind, I am defining myself with the sense organ. Is this Atma different than the body or with the body? This is one group. Only I am fat. So you are saying Atma is with the body. Remember, four things were there: gross body, subtle body, causal body and Atma. So somebody says I am thin. So he is mixing the Atma with the body and then saying, is it like that or is it something different? This is number one doubt. So is Sharir Vyatirikt Jivatma? sometime I'll use some Sanskrit words, so don't worry. If you, some of you, because you have already are good in Sanskrit, you will get. Then, or is it one with the body? Because I feel it is one with the body. Acha? I feel I and Atma are one and same. And therefore I say I am thin, I am long, I am tall, I am short. I am man, I am woman, I am child, I am young. All are you are defining the Atma along with the body. So what do you feel? Now I feel it is one with the body. If it was one with the body, then with the burning of the body it would have gone away. When you are saying it is one with the body, then with the burning of the body, Atma also should have been burned. So chutti ho gayi. Problem is over now. Do anything in this world. Anyway, Atma will be dying. So next birth should not be there then. There is nothing called rebirth then. Bole acha. Okay. Acha, second thing. This is one group. Second group is Dehi Indri Vyatirekta Atma. Acha, is the Atma one with the sense organ and body or different than that? Now slowly Vedant will come. And you don't have to get afraid from that. Am I one because I say I am deaf, I say I am blind, I say, we identified with my, eyes are mine, we say. Ears are mine. First I say body is mine and body is I. Now I say sense organ is I and sense organ is my also. I am, my nose is there. My ears are there. My hands are there. You know the difference of sense organ and body, no? You don't know. Well, I don't know, please tell. Even if I know, you please tell. Okay. Because body is made out of 5 elements, which is seen. Do you see sense organ or not? Huh? You see sense organ or not? अच्छा क्यों भाई कौशिक, you see sense organ? Huh? Sense organ are two. One is the structural sense organ, other is functional sense organ. What is that? This is like ears, this is a structural ear. This is the window. But behind is seated the functional ear. So sense organ are a part of subtle body or a gross body? Subtle body. Because when you are sleeping and still you are not able to hear, because the functional ear, the clerk has gone. All the window is there. Window is there, clerk has gone. All are clerks sitting here and different powers they have. One clerk is here, one clerk is here, one clerk is here, one clerk is here. So all sense organs are like a small clerk with a specific power of reception and transmission. Okay. So, supposing a person is sleeping. Some people sleep with the mouth open. And in that sleeping mouth open, you put one gulab jamun. You will taste or not? Although on the tongue gulab jamun is there. If you can't put big piece, then you can have a small, cut it in half. And then you put it. So it will be hanging there for some time. But he won't taste it sweet. Why? Because tongue sense organ, functional sense organ called tongue is not there. Structural is there. Structural sense organ is there. He'll be like that. Maybe in between he'll do like that and again he'll sleep. And morning if you tell him that's you hate that gulab jamun. How was it? He said, I did not eat anything. But I put in your mouth. No, I did not taste. Why did you put while sleeping? When I was waking, you should have given me. So this is the difference. Similarly, eyes are there. Some people sleep, so eyes are slightly open. You are quite scared with such people. You do like that, so he won't respond. You don't know all about yourself, about others you can see. So the functional eye is not there, is structural eye is there. Similarly with feet also. How many sense organ are there? 5 sense organ of perception and 5 of action. I'm telling Tattvabodh thing also. What is the perception sense organs are there? What are the 5 sense organ of perception? Ears are there. Perception means they are receivers, they are not doers. They are receiver. Like you snap, so ear will hear. Eardrums are there. Eardrums. So you hear something. Second is eyes are there. Eyes. So eyes also it is perception. Third is nose is there. Fourth is tongue is there. Fifth is skin is there. Skin, heat and cold. So these are 5 sense organ of perception. What they are called in Sanskrit? Gyanendriyani, plural. Gyanendriyani. Don't forget this, please. These are some technical things. And 5 sense organ of action is also there. They have a movement in which there is a movement involved. They are not perceiving something. They are acting as per the Gyanendriyani. Who are those? Hands are there. Hands. Legs are there. Acha, speech is there. Speech. So on the tongue there are 2 sense organs sitting. One office, structural office is one, but 2 departments are there and both are dangerous. Speaking and eating both are dangerous at one point. Bhagwan ne bhi kya kar diya yaar? All problem because of this too. Stomach problem because of this eating. Mental problem because of talking. So unnecessarily you talk. So both are there. 3 हो गया? ये 2 4 हुआ. 3. Then genitals are there. Genitals. Then anus is there. So these are 5 sense organ of action. Genitals and anus. Please note, there are different powers located. Oh, different powers. Eyes power is not here. If eyes power is here, you will hear by the ear. You will see by the ear. Some people can do that. Those who are yogic people, they can bring this power anywhere. And they can see also. They can hear by hand like this. Okay. So 10 sense organ, right? Then 5 pranas are there. 5 pranas. What are the 5 pranas? Pran, Apan, Vyan, Saman, Udan. You can write it. Pran, Apan, Vyan, Saman, Udan. Hare, say slowly. I only went to Pran only. Pran, Apan, Vyan, Saman, Udan. And there is something called Antahkaran, which is 4. This is called Man, Buddhi, Chit and Ahankar. Altogether how many? 19. Man, Buddhi, Chit and Ahankar. These 19 are called subtle body. Okay. So initially I thought let me take Tat Bodh first, then I thought you will get bored. Man, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar. Same thought, when it does Sankalp, it is called Mana. Shall I come in the class? Shall I join the SUP course or not? This is Sankalp. You are thinking. Sankalp Vikalpatmak. When you decide, no, I have to do it. How did you know? So second is Buddhi. How did you know? Because you had Chitta. Chitta is a memory store. I am trying to simplify as much as possible. Chitta means what? You decide by the memory. No, I have been going to the class. It has been very beneficial. This is your Chitta. Storage is there. And therefore you come to Buddhi. So first Man, then Chitta, then Buddhi. If somebody has not known me at all or never come to the mission, for him it will be difficult to decide. Only seeing the flyer and poster, he said, Kya hai? What course is there? I don't know what they will teach. Because Chitta is not there. So Chitta helps in ascertaining and making your decision firm. What is Ahankar then? Ahankar is not pride here. You say, I will do it. That is Ahankar. Aham karomi. Now I am doing the course. ठीक है? बोले ठीक है. This is called Antakaran Chatushta. Man, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar. So how many components of subtle body? 19. 10 sense organ, 5 of action, 5 of perception, 4 Antakaran and 5 pranas. What are the 5 pranas? One is pran. Pran doesn't mean breathing in Vedanta. Pran means Shakti, power. Pran means Shakti, power. When the same power is in inhaling and exhaling, then it is called prana. Same thing, functional differences are. Same Shakti is called prana. What is apan? When the waste, the power which throws the waste out of the body, then the same is called apan. Apan. What is saman? When you eat the food, prana, pano, samo, kritva. So when it uses the digestion, that is called saman. When the same prana is used to have circulation of the blood all around the body through all the nerves, it is called vyan. And when you are belching or when you are vomiting, voluntary action, or sneezing, sudden voluntary actions are there. That is called udan. Udan. Ut is come with sudden action. Ut word in Sanskrit is used with sudden voluntary actions. All of a sudden sneezing came. Didn't plan 10 o'clock I'll sneeze. It came all, or vomiting came all of a sudden. Vomiting. The vomiting, there is a ejection. Sudden ejection is there. Okay. Prana, pran. Pran, apan, vyan, saman, udan. Very simply I am telling. Later on, when you are little more advanced, we'll elaborate on each in very big way. But you should have little idea. Slowly. I'm just giving an outline. Colors will fill later on. There is a way, otherwise you will get scared. Okay. So if pran is not there, supposing somebody is, though this portion is pran is there. The bright person will be bright. When a person has flu, etc., is dull like that. So if you call, hello, Raju, hello, yeah, what happened to you? Your voice is so dull. I'm having flu. I'm having temperature. So you are having fever. Yes, I'm having fever. Okay, rest now and don't come out. This way, peace is also maintained. Okay. So, ये प्राण है. If Saman Vayu is not there, which organ is affected? Digestion. Digestion. Digestion नहीं हो रहा है. Food is sitting. Therefore, when a person is old, Saman Vayu is not strong. So food doesn't digest. When you are children, you eat anything, it digests. Saman Vayu is quite strong. So when they do yoga and all these things, they do pranayam. So in that pranayam, this is affected. Okay. Now come back to the topic. This was one of the portions. Well, I didn't know so much will be in the course. No, a lot is there. What we have thought, it is much more than that. This is a serious study center. Mission is known for its study. Now, group 1 was Deha Vyatirikt Atma. Come back to Nachiketa's question. Deha Vyatirikt Atma or Deh Eva Atma? Is the Atma one with the body or Atma is body? Group 1. Group 2 is Deh Indri Vyatirikt Atma or Deh Eva Atma? Is the Atma one with the sense organ and body or it is different than the sense organ and body? Third group, Deh Indriya Mano Vyatirikt Atma or Deh Eva Atma? Is the body one with the Atma, one with the body? Is the Atma one with the body, sense organ and mind, or body is different than all? Atma is different than all. Third group is there. 3 group हो गए. One, is Atma different than the body or one with the body? Is Atma one with the sense organ and body or different than that? Is the Atma one with the sense organ, body and mind or different than that? Or is the Atma one, fourth group, is the Atma one which is Dehantar Sambandhi, which travels in the next body? Last birth I was monkey and this birth I became human being. Therefore I hop a lot. So that samskar has not gone. Well, I like to be in the swimming pool for a long time. We're buffalo or what in the last? So, or your fish swimming too much. How many group? 4 group. Okay. Next group. There is no thing as Jivatma. 5th group. There is nothing called Jivatma. Only everything dies with the body. 5th हो गया. 6th group. No, there is a Atma which is detached Atma. Which is detached Atma, which is all pervasive Atma. Very good. Which is detached, all pervasive, Nitya Sarvagat Atma, eternal and all pervasive Atma. These are the few groups are there. And all group came together in Nachiketa's mind. He said, then he asked, which is among this, which is the Atma? Okay. I understand now. This is his real Laksharth Prashna. Not Laksharth means indicated question is this. What direct is there, it doesn't make a meaning actually, because he himself knows that after death there is Atma, there is Jivatma, because he himself is there after death in front of Yamraj. So these are 6 groups. In various schools they say like that. When this question was asked, got the point? Huh? So you can say, you can B plus sense organ, B plus I is Atma, or only B is, or it is different than that. Only B is Atma or only different than B plus I means sense organ plus M is Atma or different than that. You can make a combination like that. You can make a chart like that. Well, here also you have to make a chart. Yes. Okay. Now next, this when he asked, Nachiketa asked to Yam Dharmaraj, he said, oh my God. Sorry. बोले भाई तुम बहुत छोटे हो, very small. What are you doing? This is too small. Why? Next question, 21st log. He said, what question you are asking? Esha dharma anuh. Here the dharma is the name of Atma. Be very careful. Because the dharma word is there. Dharma word, which you hear very frequently. In Sanskrit, I told you there is roots are there. Roots. So dharma word has come from the root dhr, to hold, to sustain. Like deh word is there. Deh, you know, no? Deh means deh, don't know. Body. Not the same, body. And deh word has come from which root? Dih, that to burn. That which is burned is called body. Okay. So dharma has come from which root? Dhr. Dha. Tatha da dha. Tatha da dha. Plus ru. Ru is indicated. You told no? Ru is at the bottom. Like dha is there. Dha. This is dha. So dha plus ru. Dha. You have to put one slash down. Dha plus ru. So that ru is indicated by one hook. One hook. Like Krishna hai. Ka ru. Kru. Similarly, dha plus ru. Dru. Oh, sounds interesting. So this is dhr. So this is the name called dhru is the root. Oh, not the root of the tree. Root means here, which is the metal along which plastering would be done to make a word. Plastering would be done. Like, you know, the root of your ring is gold. Around gold something will be done. It will be made, molded. Then some diamond will be studded on that. Some coloring will be done. So similarly, all word, like anybody's word is there. I'm not taking anybody's name. It has a root. Along that some plastering has been done. You will hear taddhit pratyay, etc. etc. Dhru means to hold. Dharma means that which holds. So how is the family held? By the value system. If you know my wife is a liar, number one, then you can't live with the wife. And supposing, God forbid, if she doesn't have a great character also, then to better to go. You go your way, I'll go my way. Why? Value is not there. Or son is there, he steals money, then you will better that son will be out. Let me lock the money. Why? Because he took away. Last night I had kept the money, and morning I saw money was not there. So who holds the family? Dharma of each person. I do my duty, you do your duty, she does her duty. We are all coming together now. So therefore, what is dhru? Which holds, which upholds. Why you have come here to learn? Because you had found that this place had value in it. Nobody is cheating. Nobody is having wrong intention. Nobody is doing wrong things. Nobody is squandering the money. So you had a trust, and therefore that has brought us all together. That is Dhru. You are seeing the beauty of the roots. I am indicating that how much important it is. So dharma is that which holds. One person drinks heavily, whole family will be broken. One thief will be there, family will be broken. और तो छोड़ो आप. If you do adharma, your body, mind, all will be broken. There is no, you will not be together. Your body, mind is not together. You say I am broken. So dharma has been the name here for Atma. Why? Because Atma holds the body. I told you Jiva Atma is there, body is held. Yes. So this Atma holds. It is the sustainer of the body. From that whole world comes, in which world is there and in which world is all also. So Atma is the holder of the body and holder of the world also. If Atma goes away, Jiva Atma, then what will happen? Then 4 people have to work hard on your body. That body which was so easily moving, now it is a big problem now. अच्छा, धर्म ऐसा गड़बड़ हो गया.